writers, and welcome to week dos. In week 2 we are reflecting on reading and writing strategies and discussing our dreams, goals, aspirations, and our cultural wealth. This video is going to go over week 2 and just share a little bit about what you're being asked to do this week. If you click on the button, or again, you can get to modules by clicking on modules up here as well. Boop. You'll see for, if you're wanting to collapse your weeks to get them out of your way, you can. This is a snapshot of what's happening in week 2. So many of you have posted already, which is awesome. I find it really helpful when I'm in an online writing and an online class. When other students hop on and post, it gives me more confidence because I can kind of see what's happening, what's being expected. So if you're not sure, hop on. You can see someone else's post for now. We have the module overview. This is just preparing you for what's going to be happening with reflections and aspirations. We have a reading strategies discussion. We have a free write discussion. We have another strategy called talking to the text, which is similar to thinking aloud, which we discussed last week. And then we have a reflection on this reading strategy. So keep in mind this week, just like last week, is really about building community and strengthening our core skills for reading and writing. We'll move into a discussion on what is a golden line. Again, many of these strategies you are familiar with. You've tried them at least once, or you've tried some kind of version of them. So you already know most of this. You're just practicing that skill once again, because practice moves us closer towards our goals, towards our efficiency with what it is we're trying to accomplish. And here it's solid reading skills, solid writing skills, and an awareness of those skills, where we've been and where we want to be in the future. We have community cultural wealth, and we're going to be going over Tara Yoso's cultural wealth model, which is super useful for understanding what students of color and all students bring with them, a plethora of wealth and beauty to the academic world, reflecting on our own cultural wealth so we can see how much we are equipped to bring something of value to the academic environment. And then and then we have an assignment here on just reflecting on your own particular goals in this class and in college and in life. And then lastly, we have a little reminder of tutoring and feedback opportunities. For the last discussion here, it's just giving you information to link with you to writing support this semester. It's asking that you will be enrolled in IDS 100, and so if you click here, you'll be guided to another module that will go over how to enroll in IDS 100 and kind of what the expectation of that is. That is the quick and dirty version. I'm going to go ahead and click on the overview here so you can see, and I'll just scroll through so that way this is familiar to you. Again, there's lots of posts on here already, which is awesome. You can hop on and kind of touch base with other classmates, but that's what's happening with week 2. Don't forget, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can ask in that first discussion. But we're refining our strategies here, reminding ourselves what works, what helps us when we're reading, what helps us when we're engaging in the text actively. That's what this week is looking like, folks. Again, I'm just scrolling through as I'm talking so you can kind of see. Really just, this is about you. All your learning is about you. It's about what you need. It's about where you're at, what your past experiences have been, and then consciously moving forward, setting goals to move forward here. So that is week 2, ending with tutoring support. Again, have a wonderful week. Enjoy practicing reading and writing strategies. Enjoy the free write and the golden line. Use it as an opportunity to really connect with something that you find valuable, that you find useful, and to realize how amazing you are and how much more potential you have for growth. Happy week 2.